Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 15th of March and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open marketplace, the Nifty 50 is opening at 16,900.65 at 0.17% up. So slowly you can see a bit recovery in the market today. So advanced stocks are 27, declines are 19 and unchanged are 4 stock. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Asian Paint with 1.19% up, Indus India Bank with 1% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is ONGC with 2.04% down and Indelco with 1.83% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Short selling is BIN in the market level. So let's see how the stock will perform. We'll just sell it now. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, this is the end of the day's chart, and the stock did make a low of almost 480.65, and we took my exit by making at least 4 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of SBIN. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.